Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really interesting math problem. We need to divide 7 factorial by 7 double factorial. And how can I do that? On the right hand side we have a lot of options A, B, C and D. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and after 20 seconds we will check our answer. It will be more interesting for you, and of course for me I will see how many answers will be correct or not correct. So try to solve it by yourself and write your answer in a comment. And right now we are going to solve it. We have 7 factorial in our denominator, so we all know that 7 factorial is a product. So 7 factorial is a product from 1 to 7. So 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 and times 7. So we all know that this is a product from 1 to 7. But what about 7 with double factorial sign? How can we solve this one in our denominator? 7 with double factorial, it looks like on the first side it looks like 7 factorial, and we find one small factorial. But take a look, it will be a really huge number, because right here we have a really huge number. If we find one small factorial with this, we will have a really huge number. So in mathematics, the double factorial of a number n, denoted as n with double factorial sign, is a product of all numbers up to n that have the same parity, odd or even. So take a look, I try to explain you step by step. So if we have, for example, 5 factorial with double factorial sign, it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we take one small factorial. It's, take a look, we look at this 5. This 5 is odd number, so we go to 5 up to 5 using only odd numbers. So the first one, 1, 2 we reject, we have next 3, 4 we reject, and we will have 5. So as a result, right here, as you can see, if you multiply it, we will have 15. So 15. And so we have 7 with double factorial. How can we do with this 7? Take a look. Right here we have, in our denominator, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 and times 7. This is our 7 factorial. What about 7 with double factorial? 7 is our odd number, so we go up to 7 using only odd numbers. So 1 times 3 times 5 and times 7. I hope you understand this. This is 7 double factorial, this is 7 factorial. And take a look, really interesting. 7 and 7 we can cancel, 5 and 5 we can cancel, 3 and 3 we can cancel, and 1 and 1 we can easily cancel. So what we have as a result? We have 2 times 4 and times 6. So if you multiply this, you will have 2 times 4 will be 8, and 8 times 6 will be 48. So this is our answer. And take a look, maybe we'll have this option right here, and of course we have option D. This is our answer. So if you still have any question, write a question in comment. It will be really interesting to read it. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, put your thumbs up, I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot, and thank you so much for watching, subscribing, I really appreciate it. See you in the next videos. Have a great day.